Hi everyone, in front of me I have this REALME C31 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show top 3 widgets that you can possibly add to the home screen of this device. So to start off, in order to access the widget menu, all you gotta do is choose any vacant space you have on any of your home screens, tap and hold, go for widgets, and here we have all kinds of widgets that are divided into respective categories. So the first widget that I would highly recommend on adding is the Google search bar. So all you gotta do is look for the Google category in here it is, and choose the search bar. And in order to add the widget, just tap and hold and drop it whenever you would like to see that, or should I say wherever. So I'll drop it here, for example. So moving on to the second widget that I would highly recommend on adding, which is the YouTube Music widget. So here just look for the YouTube Music. It's usually located in the alphabet order, so therefore the YouTube Music category will be located at the bottom. Tap and hold, choose the place where you want to drop it at, choose the home screen. I'll just go for this home screen, for example, and it's basically just a cool widget that allows you to manage the music that you're listening to. As you can see, you can either play pause, play next track, or play previous track. And the final widget that I would highly recommend on adding is the calendar widget. It is located at the very top, at least in my case, and we have also 2 different designs. We can either choose from like the full scale calendar for X6, or the smaller version which will display the events that we have set in our calendar. I'll go with the bigger one and place it at a separate screen. And in here I'll be basically looking at the calendar for this month, April. What are the events that I've added to it, and basically just allows you to manage your time better. So that was pretty much it for this video, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, and bye bye.